For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Mans. Let's have a look at a Baltimore Chop Opening Gap from the 24th of April 2017. This is Hasbro Incorporated, ticker symbol HAS. We see here that we had a 2 standard deviation gap on the opening bell, moved from about $96 a share all the way up to $102 per share. So the first opportunity for an entry was below the low of the first bar of trading. When the second bar formed, we had a move to the upside, no violation of the low, so now the entry price would be the low of the second bar trading. Would not have been as crazy about this entry right here just because of the proximity to this low, but the third bar of trading moved higher, giving us a picture-perfect entry on HAS. So the opportunity here was for an entry right below the low of this third 5-minute bar, targeting first the close of this bar, right, the close of the opening bar, and then in terms of where we were looking for an expansion, can use our Fibonacci tool. This is right from what you learned at boot camp, and in terms of projecting an extension on a Baltimore Chop Open, right, we just want to go from the peak to the trough of that first bar of trading if it's a wide range bar. And in this case, my target was $100.70, the 382 expansion, the 138.2% move of this opening range. So how did this one play out? Pretty easy to see, right, that it did just what we thought it was going to do. You can see here on the executions, the entry was placed just as this fourth bar opened, and we were looking for an entry right below the third bar of trading. That's in fact where we got filled, and then the exit was placed down at the 100.70 level. So as the stock came down through the closing price of the first bar of trading, in this case we did not have an automated order there, we waited. We saw it break that closing price. After it broke that price, we put an OCO order in saying, get me out if price comes back up to 101.66, or get me out if price comes down to 100.70. The bad news on this one, of course, we missed this extension for another 60 cents to the downside. The good news on this one, you can't cry over profits you were able to take off the table. $1.73 per share traded on HAS, classic textbook Baltimore Chop entry. If you have any questions about this or anything else we did in the first hour trading pit today, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.